I met Honorable Prime Minister to apprise the development work we have taken in last 2 months. Particularly, we have two important issues. We have a fertilizer company in Namro. We want a revival plan for the plant. So I discussed that issue with the Honorable Prime Minister. Also, I have apprised him about the steps we are taking against the trafficking of drugs, etc. And of course, briefly, I have also apprised him the present situation of Assam-Mizoram border.
So regarding the border situation, because barring Tripura and another state, there are other states that have been carved out of Assam. So you have border problems with each of these states also. Is there a way forward? Did you discuss this with senior leadership?
No, these are the problems which were there since 1972. We are discussing and we are trying to resolve this issue, but these are very, very complex. In regard to Arunachal and Nagaland, title suits are pending before Supreme Court of India. Of course, with Meghalaya government, we are talking, trying to find out some solution. But these are very, very complex issues, and it is not possible to find out a solution overnight.
So will you be having some sort of commission to resolve this? Are you looking at what are the
I think as of now, as I told you, that the border dispute between Assam and Nagaland, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh is before Supreme Court of India. So with Meghalaya, there is a discussion going on at the level of Chief Minister. With Mizoram, this is not right time to hold discussion. As of now, you need some confidence building measures, and we are trying to have that.
So one of the confidence building measures is that you have two of the ministers opened border and trucks were allowed. What is the status of transportation?
As of now, things are smooth. Trucks are going to Mizoram. Almost 400 trucks has gone since day before yesterday. And I think there is absolutely no blockade on the part of Assam now. People have responded to my call and things are now normal.
Do you think the talks and conversation with the Mizoram and other states, they are very smoothly going, or do you think that
with other states we don't have any issue, but what happened with Mizoram, it was a bit unfortunate, but otherwise you don't have any ongoing conflict. We keep on talking, we keep on discussing, we keep on attending other issues. It is not like that there is a war zone going on. So I talk to them almost every day.
Also with Mizoram CM?
Everybody. With Mizoram CM also I keep on talking.
The Olympians have come back to India and Lovelina Borgoi also.
Lovelina Borgoi, yes.
The first Assam's Olympic medal holder. Do you have any plans to?
Yeah, she is coming back to Assam on 12th. We are going to give her a civic reception. Pandemic is there, but still within that restriction, we will try to give her the best possible reception. And of course, she is our pride, so we'll definitely try to give her the best possible.
So also in COVID situation, you met the health minister. So
We are actually, I have requested him for more vaccines. We have already did almost 1.25 crore vaccines, total vaccine doses. We need at least 2 lakhs vaccines per day. So I have requested for him for that vaccines. He has assured me that yes, now I have a bigger availability. I have some more caution, and I'll try to help Assam and Northeast.
the center has written to states about deaths due to oxygen scarcity during COVID.
We did not have anyone, because Assam largely managed oxygen situation during the crisis. Rather, we have provided oxygens to our neighboring states. So we did not have any death because of or lack of oxygen.
So you are meeting MPs also from your state, and you must be seeing that the parliament is stalled due to debate on Pegasus and all. So what do you think about it, sir? Because the
Congress is not prepared. Congress do not have a good speaker. Congress do not want to debate. I think this stalling parliament is a clever ploy on the part of Congress, so that they do not get exposed. Last 5 years, I have not heard a single speech from any Congress parliamentarian which evoke response, or at least which is being discussed among people. So when BJP was in parliament, people used to discuss what Sushma Swaraj has said, what Arun Jaitley has said in the parliament. Today, from Congress side, there is none. So they takes all this strategy to divert or to stall parliament so that they do not get exposed.
सर एक सवाल मुझे भी लीजिए कि बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट हमने देखा मिजोरम और आसाम के बीच, क्या वे फॉरवर्ड है आगे और क्या ऑप्शंस रहेंगे
आगे देखिए, आगे हम लोग को बात करना पड़ेगा, बट थोड़ा मुश्किल है बिकॉज हर स्टेट का हैबिटेशन है, हर स्टेट का वो लोगों को लगता है ये मेरा जमीन है, तो कोई तुरंत हल निकाले ऐसा तो मुझको दिखाई नहीं देता है. बट एज यू गो अलोंग, अभी जो एक शांति का माहौल बनाना सबसे बड़ा काम है. एक बार शांति का माहौल बन जाएगा तो धीरे धीरे आप बात करो, भारत सरकार बात करे, कोई सारा पिटीशन कोर्ट में भी है, कोर्ट भी इसका अगर कोर्ट भी चाहे तो मेडिएट करने के लिए वो भी संभव है. सो देखा जाएगा, लेकिन फिलहाल शांति कायम हो, यही सबसे बड़ा बात है.